What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Double SBC Coffee Shop. I think that's a good ring to it, at least. We have everything else pretty much. So, anyways, we're going to go through and do a little bit of unboxing. This specific box that I'm going to be opening is not specific to either the coffee or car aspect. It will help, obviously, because of the simple fact that this is the tabletop tripod that we discussed in one of the last videos that was sent to me by the manufacturer that we went through and did the review for. So I will be using this on our trip that's coming up. I will be probably using this in some of our, oh, that's nice too. Some of our upcoming videos, so this way I don't have to have the tripod all the way up here. I can actually just set it down. We can do everything in our field of view, and then we'll just go from there. But this seems to be pretty good construction, just like the tripod itself that we're already using. As a review of the current tripod that you guys are sitting on currently, it is a metal construction. It does have plastic, they're basically clamps that you tighten down when you get the tripod to the height that you want. And it does have a universal top just like this one does, to where you can put on a cell phone holder, GoPro mount, or even most of the digital cameras will actually attach to it as well. So this is the way, and it stops at a certain point. It doesn't actually flex. That's cool. I like that. That's very cool. So it did come with another cell phone mount. It did come with the basically the trigger remote, which, to be honest, I'm not a super fan of because its range is very, very limited. And then this is the GoPro mount. That, like I said, it just screws onto the top here. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna go through. Oh, there goes the lights for the house. Sorry, my house is automated. I went out the door. They're on a timer, so I'm already back in the house. So, anyways, that's the end of the video. Actually, no, it's not. I have a little bit of a surprise for you. I'm gonna cut for a second, fix the light, and I'll be right back. So, we have another surprise. It is kind of out of your field of view right now. We're gonna slide it in here, and we'll open it. We got another tool for our coffee shop. At this point, it's still a coffee bar, because obviously it's not a whole storefront, but I wanted one. I was shopping and I saw a coffee that required this machine, and I couldn't get it because I didn't have the machine at that time. So, really? Okay. Anyways, we're just gonna finish up the video, or at least this segment. My smart home system is a little upset with me, obviously, so I can't fix that at this point in time because my phone is my controller. I have to manually adjust it from the switches. But anyways, my lighting should be fine. It's not too dark in the house, and I have a pretty good camera. So anyways, the Nespresso system, I'm gonna go through and open this. We're gonna pause again. I'm gonna try to fix the lights again, and I wanna open this up. We did actually order another power supply, so this way I can have everything plugged in at once on the coffee bar, and then as you want to actually use it, you don't have to sit there and unplug, replug all the time. So I'm trying to build it right. Anyways, we're gonna pause again, and I'm gonna fix the lights again, and then we're gonna open this together. So give me a second. Okay, so I've never seen this kind of a package before, the way that this is wanting to open, so you can get creative with the scissors. It's got those pull tabs on the side of it, apparently. There we go. And the whole top, that's interesting packaging for sure. Yeah, okay. You guys are gonna get a kick out of this. Presentation. That's awesome. There's the machine. The cord apparently is all wrapped up in this top section, so there we go. It did come with some trials. And obviously we've got the different instruction book. This one here, apparently $10 off your first order through them, which I'm assuming the prices are not cheap. Tells you about everything about the system itself, so that's kind of cool. Apparently it operates exactly like a Keurig. A little bit of a different layout, which we will obviously go through and do a use video because that's what we do here. We make coffee, we try it. We do have guest stars on the channel. We do collaborations. All that. Oh, here's the drip tray up top here. Small of a drip tray. That is a cool presentation. I have to give it to them on that one. That is very cool. I'm easily entertained when it comes to stupid stuff like that. So there's that. So now the machine itself, the drip tray clicks on apparently. The whole section comes out. That's where the pods fall into apparently, because this is cool thing about this one, and it's kind of different in comparison to the Keurig. Keurig, you have to sit there and open, close, take out the pods and all this stuff. This one here, you put your pod in. When you're done, it drops it into the little hopper down here, and then you can go through and take the whole hopper out and then just dump them all at once, so you don't have to sit there and do it after every single use, which is kind of cool. And then you do have your selectors up top here of how much of a shot you want to go through and pull, which is cool. Yeah, so pretty much the next video, or the next section of this video, because I haven't decided if I'm going to go through and do this as one continuous video, or if I want to separate it out. I'm going to go through and separate it out. We're going to end the video here. You guys have a wonderful day. Obviously, if you're new to the channel, if you like the content that we do here, please go through and subscribe, comment, tell everybody about it, because I will reiterate as I have in the previous videos. This channel, once I get it up to YouTube's requirements for the monetization, I am going to go through and branch out with my subscribers. We're going to go through at the 1,000 mark, whatever amount that we get from that first little, we'll call it a paycheck. Once we get that first paycheck, we're going to roll it back into one of our subscribers. We'll go through and pull a randomizer through YouTube, because at that point I should be able to build our actual profile. Right now it's just kind of the free YouTube, you know. We're going to go through and create that profile. We'll use a randomizer to pick one of our subscribers, and at that point we're going to go through and whatever that subscriber wants to do, whether it be coffee or if they want to go through and do any car content as well, we'll go through and we'll branch that out. So go through and start sharing this out. If you guys have any questions, please post them in the comments. Also, you can reach out to our email. The email is ssbc.garage@gmail.com. I'm going to put that on the screen for you as well. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I will respond. Also, if you guys could go through and like the video if you liked it, or disliked it, you know, whatever, choose that way, because in this way the analytics from YouTube will go through and recommend it to other people that do like the video of this kind of content. So, Nespresso, I'm excited to use it. And then, like I said, you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll talk later.